Welcome to Minity Maths. In this video we are going to cover how to solve simultaneous equations, step by step. Subscribe to the channel for more maths help videos. Simultaneous equations are two equations with two unknowns, as seen in the example here. The unknowns are usually x and y. We need to find values of x and y that work in both equations. Let's work on this example. The fastest method is usually elimination. That means we add or subtract the equations to remove one of the unknown letters. Here's a reminder of the sign rules you will need in order to identify which one to eliminate. So, we have x plus y equals 10, and x minus y equals 2. Look at the y values. A positive y, and a negative y. This is perfect as we can add the equations together to eliminate the y variable, as y plus a negative y equals 0. So let's apply this to our equations. Add the equations together. X plus x equals 2x. Y plus minus y equals 0, so we can drop this, eliminating it from the equation for now. And 10 plus 2 equals 12. So, 2x equals 12. Divide by 2 and we're left with x equals 6. Now we have figured out the value of x, we can put this back into one of the original equations to find out the value of y. Let's use x plus y equals 10. So, 6 plus y equals 10. Now solve the equation. We have y equals 4, so the answer is x equals 6 and y equals 4. Now the key is to check your answer to ensure both x and y values work in one of the original equations. Let's use the second equation. X minus y equals 2. 6 minus 4 equals 2, which is correct. However, what if you have a question where the numbers don't cancel straight away? Let's work through this example. In order to cancel either x or y, we first need them to have the same coefficient, the number before the letter, regardless of it being positive or negative. Notice here if we multiply the entire first equation by 2, we end up with 4x, which we can now match with the minus 4x in the second equation. Let's add the equations together to eliminate x. We now know y equals 3. Now follow the same steps as the previous example, substituting y. Solving the equation tells us that x equals minus 3. Finally, let's check this all works. Minus 6 plus 12 does in fact equal 6, so we know our values for x and y work. Check them in the second equation for yourself. Now have a go at these two practice questions and pause the video while you work on them. That's all for today. Subscribe to Minity Maths and check out our other videos for more algebra help.